एज अ बिजनेस मॉडल जिम्स के अंदर एक नया बिजनेस मॉडल है विच इज़ रियली टेकिंग ऑफ फॉर द लास्ट 2 years. In case if you're missing the bus, I think it's still the right time for you to enter into that space. It is premium gyms. Gyms wherein the fee structure ranges from 25,000 till 60,000 as annual memberships, and there is a lot of lobby and members who wish to come into those gyms. But are you building those spaces? If not, don't worry. Mevin Pro USA is the solution for you. इंट्रोड्यूसिंग टू यू मेविन प्रो मेटा सीरीज 2 चेस प्रेस। अगर आपका जिम का हॉल 3000 से 5000 स्क्वायर फुटेज के बीच में है, आप उस पर्टिकुलर ब्रांच को भी बहुत अच्छे से मार्केट पोजिशनिंग में आप बेटर स्टैंड आउट करवा सकते हैं। योर इक्विपमेंट प्लेज अ बिग रोल। डिटेलिंग ऑफ द इक्विपमेंट डिफाइंस द स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट। दिस मशीन हैज़ अ प्री स्ट्रेच लीवर। आपके क्लाइंट्स को इनिशियल लिफ्ट में हमेशा प्लेट लोडेड इक्विपमेंट में बहुत प्रॉब्लम आती है। So this lever will assist you to lift your initial weight, and then you start your workout, and there you go. In case आप इसको जब रिलीज करना चाहते हैं over the last rep, आपने अगेन अपने लीवर को डिप्रेस किया, वेट्स को एक पॉइंट पे आपने स्टैक कर दिया, and then you're good to go. A very key feature on this equipment is the use of linkages. So while you are performing your chest press, this linkage ensures that the trajectory of the path of chest press is just on the right angle, so that it hits your chest muscles in the perfect manner. When your client has to adjust the seat height, they don't really have to struggle with the seat. So this mechanism is working on a pneumatic lift, which ensures a very smooth exercising experience. The seat adjustment becomes very simple. And this stainless steel assembly line ensures the quality and characteristics of a good equipment. When you're building a premium health club, the concept should be every hardware that you install should have its own storyline. Mevin Pro USA Meta 2 series will give you that storyline in every single piece of hardware that you get inside your gym. आपको अपनी brand positioning को अगर well define करना है, आपको अपनी return on investment faster चाहिए और आपको loyal clients चाहिए, Mevin Pro USA will set a benchmark for the other gyms around in your vicinity. It'll take you cut above the competition. It will also help you elevate the membership price to a superior bracket. आपको रेगुलर प्राइस वॉर्स में नहीं जाना चाहिए, बिकॉज इन केस यू वांट अ बेटर एंड अ फास्टर रिटर्न्स, there is a big lobby of people who are willing to pay you the right membership for a premium health club. Our endeavor is to basically change the game for health club owners, to make the gyms more profitable, to make it more superior and serve a larger lobby of people who are premium clients. So let's get your business going up. Let's make your competition irrelevant. Let's make Mevin Pro happening inside your gyms. Talk to us.